Windows icon because especially I'm using a Windows. Hello guys and welcome to AI plus more, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can customize your folder icon on Windows 11. So as you can see here, my monitor is a bit smaller than usual because I had to use a different laptop for this one because I was out traveling. So first of all, you need to head over to icon websites, or like websites where you can find new icons for your folder. For instance, I had to go to iconarchive.com, and let's say I want to find a folder here. So let's see what catches my eyes. Nothing of these sort do I really like. I'm gonna go for a red folder because it's more striking. And if I'm ever gonna try and find something, I don't want it to be lost in the midst of all of the cute cat wallpaper I have in the background. I want something red, so it's just like, oh, that's it, so that I know it's it. So for instance, I want this brick like folder red icon, and you can just now click on download icon, and you have to make sure that what you are downloading is a icon format. And what I mean by that is here you can see all the formats. You have PNG or you have the Windows icon. So I'm gonna go with the Windows icon because especially I'm using a Windows operating system right now, not the Mac one. So let's go back to our desktop. So you right click on the folder that you want to change, and then you just head to properties down here. You can just either click on it and then press Alt Enter. You go to customize, and then you'll find on the bottom here something called change icon. So all you need to do is just click on the change icon here, and now you just click on browse and then find the one that we downloaded. So it's here in downloads. Click on it, click OK, then click OK or apply if you want it to be saved. And as you can see, it has been changed. And that's it. That is how you can change your folder icon on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.